everyone! Thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will share how to make delicious healthy Chinese yam egg drop soup recipe. I hope you will like it. Ingredients are Chinese yam, egg, anchovy, and mixed beans. Diced Chinese yam. Beat egg until frothy. Soup pot, add water and anchovies. Boil to release flavor. Remove soup scum. Add Chinese yam. Add mixed beans. Add salt, chicken powder, and pepper powder to taste. Pour egg liquid. Off flame and drizzle 1 teaspoon sesame oil. It smells so good. There are many materials with beautiful colors and delicious taste. It's ready to eat. The soup is very sweet and you can taste Chinese yam, mixed beans, and tender eggs in every bite. It's really delicious. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Chinese yams have many benefits, but there are some things you need to pay attention to when eating them. The gastrointestinal digestive function of the elderly is weakened, so it is enough to consume 100 grams of Chinese yam a day, and it is not advisable to overdose. If you are allergic to Chinese yam, you should not eat it to avoid allergic reactions and adverse effects on the body. The saponin contained in the yam skin or the plant alkaloids contained in the mucus may cause Chinese yam allergy and itching in a small number of people. Direct contact should be avoided when handling Chinese yam. Don't eat raw yams because there are certain toxins in raw yams. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. There are more delicious, easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Yeah.